Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumawat, Assistant Professor of Department of Homeopathic Science, Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is Advocate and Ethics Part 2. In the previous video, we studied the ethics and law related to the homeopathic physician. Let's continue this topic. Exposure of the unethical conduct. A practitioner of homeopathy shall be exposed without fear or the favor of incompetent, corrupt, and dishonest and unethical conduct on the part of any member of this professional. Association with the unregistered person. A practitioner of homeopathy shall not associate himself professionally with anybody of society of unregistered practitioner of homeopathy. Appointment of the substitute, where the practitioner of homeopathic requests another to attend to his patient during his temporary absence for this from practice professionally course require the acceptance of such appointment by the latter. If it is the consistent with his other duties, the practitioner of homeopathy acting under such an appointment shall give the utmost consideration to the interest or reputation of the absent practitioner. He shall not charge either the patient or the absent of practitioner of homeopathy for his service. Charges for the service of homeopathy practitioner. There is the no rule that the practitioner of homeopathy shall not charge another practitioner of homeopathy for his service, but a practitioner of homeopathy shall consider it is a pleasure and privilege to render gratitude services to his professional brother and his dependent if they are not in vicinity or a medical student. When a practitioner of homeopathy is called from a distance to attend or advise another practitioner of homeopathy or his dependent shall be made of traveling and other incidental expenses. The practitioner of homeopathy called any emergency visit to a patient under the care of another practitioner of homeopathy shall, when the emergency is over, retire in favor of latter, but shall be entitled to the charge the patient of his service. When a practitioner of homeopathy is consulted his own residence, it is necessary not him to inquire the patient if he is under the care of another practitioner of homeopathy. When a consulting practitioner of homeopathy see a patient request to another practitioner of homeopathy, it shall be his duty write to a letter stating his opinion, the case with the mode of treatment he thinks is required to be adopted. Engagement of for a obstetric case. If the practitioner of homeopathy is engaged to attend a woman during the confinement, uh, he shall do so. Refusal to so and excuse of any other engagement shall not be considered ethically except when he is already engaged on a similar or other serious case. When a practitioner of homeopathy who has been engaged or attend any obstetric case is absent and another is sent to the delivery for accomplice for acting, practitioner of homeopathy shall be entitled his professional fees, provided he shall secure the patient's consent to withdraw the arrival of practitioner of homeopathy already engaged. When it becomes the duty of practitioner of homeopathy occupying the official position to see the report upon the illness or injury, he shall communicate to the practitioner of homeopathy in the attendance to the give him an option to being present. The medical officers shall avoid remarks upon the diagnosis on the treatment shall be adopted. Duties of practitioner in consultation. Consultation shall be encouraged in the case of serious illness, especially in doubtful or difficult condition. The practitioner of homeopathy shall request consultant. He shall also do so in the reflexing illness, in therapeutic abortion, the treatment of women who had procured criminal abortion is suspected case of poisoning or when desired by the patient or his representative. Punctuality A punctuality shall be observed the practitioner in homeopathy in meeting for consultation. If the consultant practitioner of homeopathy does not arrive within a reasonable time, such a quarter of an hour after the appointing time, first practitioner of homeopathy shall be liberty to the see patient alone provided shall leave his conclusion in writing in a closed envelope. Patient referred to another physician. When a patient is referred to another practitioner of homeopathy by the attending practitioner of homeopathy, a statement of case shall be given in the later practitioner of homeopathy. There, the practitioner of homeopathy shall communicate his opinion in writing in a closed cover direct the attending practitioner of homeopathy. Consultation for the patient's benefit. In every condition, the benefit of patient shall be first priority. All practitioners of homeopathy interested in the case shall be candid with the member of the patient's family or responsible friends. Conduct in consultation. In consultation shall be no place of insatiety, rivalry, or envy. In due respect shall be shown by the practitioner of homeopathy in charge of. In case of no statement or remark shall be made with their impaired confidence respond in him by the patient. For this purpose, no discussion shall be carried in the presence of representative. All the statement of the case of patient in representative shall take place in the presence of practitioners. Cessation of consultation. Attendance and consulting practitioner of homeopathy shall case have consultation is conclude unless their appointing arranged by the attending practitioner. Treatment after consultation. No decision shall retain the attending practitioner of homeopathy from the making such subsequent variation. The same privilege with the obligation belongs to the consultation when the event of inane emergency during his absence of attending practitioner of homeopathy. The attending practitioner of homeopathy may prescribe in any time by the for the patient. Consultancy is not to take charge the case. When a practitioner of homeopathy has been called a consultant is none but the rarest in the most exceptional consultancy in taking charge for the case. Bar against consulting non-registered practitioner. No practitioner of homeopathy shall have consultation with practitioner of homeopathy who is not registered. Duty of the practitioner to the public. Practitioner as a citizen. Practitioner of homeopathy as a good citizen possessed by special training shall advise conducting the health of community that they do. They shall have played their part of enforcing the law of community and the sustaining in the institutions and the advancement of interest of humanity. Public health. Practitioner of homeopathy engaged in the public health work shall enlighten the public concerning quarantine regulation and the measures of prevention of epidemic, communicable disease. All the time of practitioner shall notify the constitute of the uh, public health authority of the every case of communicable disease under their care in accordance with the law and rules and regulation of the health authority. Dispensing. A practitioner of homeopathy has right to prepare the and dispensing his own prescription. Professional misconduct. Various actions shall constitute professional misconduct, like committing adultery and improper conduct with a patient, in a maintaining in proper association with a patient, convocation by a court of law of offense involving moral uh, behavior, singing or giving by any practitioner of homeopathy under his name and authority, any certificate report of signing of a given by any practitioner of under his name and authority by any certificate report of the document and character certificate misleading of the proper contravention of the provision of the law relating and regulation made thereunder. Selling of a drug of poison regulated by the law of the public or his patient was provided by the law. Performing the enabling an unqualified person to perform an abortion or an any illegal operation for which there is no medical, surgical, or psychological conditions. Issue of certificate of homeopathy in unqualified and non-medical person provided the shall not be applied. Affixing at the signboard of a chemist of or in place where the practitioner of homeopathy does not reside or work. Disclosing the secret of patient that have been learned the exercise of professional expect a court of law under the order of presiding judge. Publishing photograph a case of report of patient in any medical or other journal in a manner by which their identity could made out or without their permission. Public exhibition of the scale of fees provided the same may be displayed in the physician consulting or waiting room. Using of torts or agent of procuring patient. Central Register of Homeopathy. Under the provision of Homeopathy Central Council Act 1973, the Central Council has the responsibility to maintain the Central Register of Homeopathy in Part 1st and Part 2nd. Part 1st contain the name of all person who passes any recognized medical qualification of homeopathy. Part 2nd contain the name of all person and other those included in Part 1st who were enrolled or any state register homeopathy before the comment of provisions of homeopathy. A number of technical fulfill the regulation have been framed with Homeopathy Central Council Registration Regulation 1982 and part first and second containing name of practitioner have been published in the official gazette on 2nd January 1993 and 6 January 1996. In this topic, we study the ethics and rules, prohibition of the act by the physician. Hope you all understand. Namaste.